Would you like to know how to make some do-it-yourself face masks so you can protect yourself from the coronavirus? I will show you how to make some do-it-yourself masks that doesn't require any sewing. Stay tuned. Hi, I'm Sherry, and this is Buddy, top dog of Lucky Dog Creations. Hello friends, today I'm going to be doing a couple of DIY face masks. Because of the coronavirus, the CDC has a guideline where anytime you go outside, you should wear a mask to protect yourself and others. And a lot of face masks are not available in stores, so they're allowing everyone to make cloth face masks. So I'm going to show you how to make a couple of them that you don't have to sew. If you are like me, you either don't like to sew or you don't know how to sew. And these would be perfect for middle schoolers, preteens to make their own and be proud of what they made and be more likely to wear them as they go out. So let's get started, shall we? So the first one uses a bandana. And if you have a bandana laying around, this will be perfect to make a mask. If you don't have a bandana, you can go to the store and buy one. Hopefully they will still have some left. Once they started saying everybody should make a cloth mask, a lot of these went flying off the shelves. So that's why I'm going to show you how to make a couple of other masks as well. So you're going to go ahead and take a bandana and fold it into thirds. That will give you 3 layers of protection. And then you're going to take 2 hair ties. Put one on each end. So it looks like this. And then you're going to fold the ends into the middle and tuck one end into the other end. So it looks like that. That way it will not be sticking out of the mask. And I will go ahead and show you what it looks like on. And there you have it. Very quick and easy. Let's go to the next one. Now, if you don't have a bandana and there's not any in the stores, don't worry, you can make a mask using socks. Everybody has socks. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your scissors and cut 2 strips at the top of the socks. They don't have to be perfect and they don't have to be pretty, just functionable. These are going to be your earpieces. And the next thing you're going to do is you want to make sure, I forgot to mention, you want to make sure that you have a long sock because it needs to fit from ear to ear. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to cut along the heel area. And you want to make sure it's an old sock that you're not going to want to wear again because they're being cut up. And my scissors are not the best scissors to cut with, but we got to make do with what we have, correct? And when you get to the toe, there's two different ways you can do it. You can either cut the toe off or just cut around till you get to the other side of the sock. And there you have what it looks like cut. And then you want the outside of the sock to be the outside of your mask, so you want to go ahead and lay it down like this. Take your two little earpieces and put one on each end, just like we did with the bandana one. And fold the ends in. And there you have it, and I'll show you what it looks like on. And there you have it. Very easy. This is a lot softer and more comfortable than the bandana. The earpieces are softer than the hair ties. And I'll go ahead and show you the next one with the sock. Okay, so we have another long sock. And we're going to go ahead and cut the top off. And we're going to go ahead and cut the toe off. Okay, so you want to cut down the opposite side of the heel on this sock. And tube socks would be perfect for doing this if you have tube socks, because then you don't have the heel. The heels make a nice nose piece, but if you don't like that, then you can just use a tube sock. Now before you open it out, you're going to want to go ahead and make a cut down here, a little less than halfway on both ends. And that will be your earpieces. And you kind of want to measure against your face to see where your ears are going to come at, so it's not too long or too short. And then you open this up. This has got a little bit of strings here. Cheaper socks, I guess. You open it up and there's your earpieces. And I'll go ahead and show you what this looks like. And here you have it, a nice soft mask. You don't have to worry about losing the earpieces because they are cut in. Please follow the CDC guidelines. Anytime that you go out, please wear a face mask to protect yourself and others. Only go out when necessary. Take this time to enjoy your kids, enjoy yourself, rest. Watch TV, play games, read a book. The sooner we follow the guidelines, the sooner we can get back to a sense of normal. I also want to thank all the essential workers out there. We couldn't get through this without you. I really do appreciate all that you do for us. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit the bell to get notices of my future videos. Thumbs up, thumbs down, comments and suggestions are always welcome. Whether you're a subscriber or not, and you have a suggestion or a comment, go ahead and put them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.